Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about the seasons, and throughout the course of the week we're going to learn about different parts of the season. We're going to collect data. We're going to see how the seasons change in the different parts of the year and the different months, what kind of clothes you would wear, and we're going to do all kinds of fun activities. But first, let's watch a short video on how the seasons are.
Doormats. Cold weather's kind of winter's thing. In spring, the plants get back their bling. By summer, they're in full swing, but in fall, their leaves go tumbling down, down, down to the bottom. Oh, that reminds me, some folks call fall autumn. Well, anyway, winter, spring, summer, fall. 1 year, 4 seasons in all. Winter, spring, summer, fall. 4 seasons, you can't count them all. Winter, spring, summer, fall. 1 year, 4 seasons in all. Winter, spring, summer, fall.
Teachers also have several that have not signed for their BEP. Please make sure you do that before you leave today. The sign-in sheet is on the front counter. Thank you.
So now we're going to take a look at our book, and it is all about the seasons. What do you think is inside of this book after watching the video? Right, we're going to learn about the 4 different seasons. We're going to learn about spring, winter, fall, and summer. So let's see what's inside of our book. We have winter, spring, summer, and fall. These are the 4 seasons. We've learned about them all. The first season brings us ice and snow. From December to March, cold winds blow. This cold season is winter. It sure can be lots of fun. With skating and snowmen, who needs the sun? From March to June, the next season takes hold. Lots of rain and warmer air push out the cold. Spring is the name of this time of the year. Flowers grow, children play, and warm weather is here. From June through September, sunshine is king. Hot days and hot nights are what the next season brings. When we think of the summer, we think of the heat. We think of the cold lemonade and running on the beach in bare feet. From September to December, the last day stays. The cold air leaves, turns colors, and we have shorter days. This time of the year is called autumn or fall. We carve pumpkins, rake leaves, and play some football. Each season brings its own special fun. Which season do you like best? Can you just pick one? So, tell me, after reading the book and looking at some of the fun pictures, what season do you like best? Well, I personally love the summer. One reason why I love the summer is because we have longer days. It's really warm outside, and my birthday is in the month of July, so that is right in the middle of the summer. Right now, we're going to take a look at some of the words that we might have seen in the book. And we have seasons. How many seasons do we have? Yes, we have 4 seasons. Can anybody remember some of the names of the seasons? Yes, we have fall, winter, spring, and summer. Can anybody remember in the winter months Is it hot or is it cold? Yes, it is typically cold in the winter time. And normally you see, what do you see coming from the sky or might be on the ground and we can play in it? Correct, it is snow. And during the springtime, what happens to the flowers? Right, they grow in the spring, and that is also called bloom. And in the fall, what happens to the trees outside? What happens with that? The leaves, they change colors. So we also have the word leaves for the fall. And remember that throughout the time of the year and in the different seasons, we look and we observe the weather. So that tells us what we should wear outside, if we should wear a jacket, if it's cold, or if it's raining, we should wear rain boots. If it is snowing, we should wear a jacket and a scarf. If it's sunny, we can wear cool sunglasses. So after thinking about this, we have 4 different jars. And each jar has winter, spring, summer, and fall. So I am going to put you in a group of 4 students per jar, and each one of you guys will put the things that I have displayed in the jar. So, for example, if you see winter, what would you put in the jar? A scarf. We wear scarves in the winter because it's really cold outside, right? And for the summer, I remember you can see the sun that's outside, and you're going to do what? You're going to wear cool sunglasses. And remember the fall and how the leaves change colors? Well, Mrs. Akers got you some cool little leaves you can just drop down in there. So I want you guys to remember each one of the seasons and some of the things that we wear and some of the things that you might see. Like in the springtime, what do you see going on outside? What is it doing? It's raining. So I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to complete this project. Let's kind of look and see what's going on inside of these bins. Remember, in the fall, we're going to rake leaves a little bit. And you have your cool leaves. And then also in the fall time, we have Thanksgiving. That's in the month of November. So we're going to put this book down in there. And in the fall, it typically gets a little chilly, so we might wear a light jacket or a sweater. And in the summer, remember those cool sunglasses that we put in there? And then a lot of times, I know my children love to, they love to go swimming. And they wear their swim trunks or swimsuits. Also, guess what? In the summertime, we have no school. In the